This wig is life. I love it so much, and if you stay tuned, you'll see how I installed it. But I really like that the wig already came pre-bumped on the ends. It came cut, it came layered, and the hairline was pre-plucked too. If it's not to your liking, you can always pluck it some more. But I did go ahead and bleach the knot just because I knew I wanted the hairline to be showing in the style I was gonna do. So here I went through, I made a side part. I just used a hot comb and just, it was really simple because the hair is already cut and layered. So I just made the part and I'm trying it on here to see how it looks. And I go ahead with my Ebon Lace Melt Spray, sprayed it along the hairline, not on the hair, but along the hairline, and go ahead, adhere it, add the lace on to the once it gets tacky, once the adhesive gets tacky, I put the lace on and let it dry. So I let it air dry a little bit so that it can get tacky, and then I go with a blow dryer and using heat, I heat it up, and then once I find that I can't take the heat anymore, I turn it down and actually put it on cool, and that helps to prevent that white layer from showing or from too much crusting. Tie it down with a melt band and time yourself, and then you wait for the magic to happen. Of course, you're also going to cut the lace, and voila, here it is. I went through and I did a little bit of baby hairs, and I used some concealer for the hairline. And I know some people use a black spray afterwards to kind of define the part some more. I didn't have the spray, so I went through with, again, from the Ebon brand, it's their hairline like black wax, and I just used that to define the part, and there it is. Here is the final look. And as I said, I love that it comes already cut and styled because I'm not the greatest at styling.